Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete a YouTube comments. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay, tap on your YouTube profile and scroll down. Click on your videos and tap on videos. Okay, and click on any videos, just click. Okay, just wait few seconds, tap on comment option and show all comments. Just click and press any comment, tap on three dot option, just click remove and remove this YouTube video comments. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.